Hello everybody, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to bring you this little product review of these acrylic markers from Let's Resin. These are all the colors you get in this box. There are 72 of them and this is going to be a lot of fun. So when you first open, it says to shake the markers before you use them and then put the cap on. All the markers are numbered and you have this little sheet that comes in it. And so what I did is I just started taking the markers, finding the number on the little card here and giving a little test, a little swatch of each color. I decided to do a couple little projects in this video as well, showing you using the markers. This is just a canvas, a flat canvas board from Dollar Tree. And then I just printed out a coloring sheet from a Google search. It was free. I am using carbon paper, transfer paper, to trace this coloring sheet image onto the canvas. I am not really a person who can just free draw something, but I'm just going to use this carbon paper to trace this onto the canvas, and then we're going to use the acrylic markers to see how well they work on a textured canvas board. And you can see once we move that carbon paper, we've transferred the image now onto the canvas. I will say that these markers work really, really nicely. You can see they have a nice fine point tip. I am using them more on the side though to get a wider, I don't know what you'd call that, band of color to use them and to be able to color in, but you can use also the really fine point at the tip as well. As I'm continuing to color the canvas with the acrylic markers, I will say that this set of 72 has a nice variety of shades of different colors. So you can see here I'm using 2 of the browns, but even over on the little cheat sheet that's up in the right hand corner, you can see the variety of blues, the variety of greens, and I think these would be fine for kids to, under supervision, to color with as well. So this might even be a fun Christmas gift they could make for Grandma and Grandpa if you just transferred an image onto a canvas, then let them go to town coloring it in with these acrylic markers. Once I had the whole thing colored, I did decide to outline some of the items with the black just to make them stand out a little bit more and to cover up the pencil line from the carbon paper. But these are really fun and easy to use, very, very concentrated color, and they work really well. Now the outside of the package shows a bunch of different surfaces these can work on. So the next thing I got was one of these plastic stand photo frame stands, I don't know, that you can slip a picture in. I printed another color page and trimmed it to fit inside so it's kind of behind the plastic, and I'm just using the markers to color on top of the plastic to fill in the picture, and then we'll move the color page out of the way. I would say this is another super fun and inexpensive project you could make with some kids. I even might do this for a Sunday school Christmas gift for my Sunday school kids to make for their parents. But you could, I'm having to hold the paper inside. I could have taped it so that it would stay, but just taking my time with the markers, filling in the colors as I like. Then on this one, I'm going to show you what it looks like. I did not like trace around or outline the flowers or the butterfly with black. I'm just going to leave it with the colors just to kind of show you a different way you can do it. And here's what it looks like, taking the paper out and just having the color on there. I think it turned out really, really pretty. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me for this review video and also 2 quick crafts. Please check the description box for information on ordering these if you're interested. Thanks so much and have a great day.